In this video,
we will learn how to do triple edits in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you are looking forward to doing a triple edit, it is very simple. All you need to do is have 3 build settings binded to the most comfortable buttons that you can have them in, which are your wall, your floor, and your roof. So in order to triple edit, firstly, all you need to do is place a ramp. After that, you will need to place a roof on top of it and a floor underneath it. Then you will edit it and edit the floor. Then place a wall in front of it. Then edit it as well. And you have your very own triple edit. Now all you need to do is do it consistently in order to master it. This is how you can easily do a triple edit in Fortnite and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.